Mom, how did it go?
I couldn't get anything. That girl is so dirty. Do you believe that I couldn't even get into their house? It's so filthy.
Mom, it could be that she didn't use anything that induces happiness in her palm wine and roasted fish, in my own opinion.
Okay. But you have to watch that girl closely.
Mom is right. Let's watch her closely before jumping into conclusion.
Well, I just thought I should use this opportunity to inform everyone that my very good friend, Igwe Omemboji, will be visiting with his family.
Is that so?
Wow. When, Father?
Well, in a fortnight.
Oh. That would be nice. Really nice. It's been a while he visited with his family. And I'm sure that his kids will be all grown by now.
Oh, certainly.
I mean, just like me and my siblings here, we look forward to receiving them, Father.
That would be very nice. It's been long.
And Dad, if you'll also allow me to take this time to suggest that you put an end to the contest that happens here for my sake.
Really? Think so?
Yes, Father. Can't you see that I've been happy lately? I've been smiling cheek to cheek. She makes me happy. She makes me really, really happy. She's giving me that inner peace and happiness that I have been seeking since my return.
Yeah. Well, I wish this continues.
Of course it will continue, Father.
I'm so happy for you, brother.
Thank you, Ozzy. Thank you. Thank you. Put a stop to all these jesters and all these, I think, funny comedians coming here,
My roasted fish and palm wine is ready. Oh no, we on a better. My fresh fish and palm wine. On a good too funny. The got it throws couple papas hey. This kind girl, I never see her before. Elton boy, she dey behave like man.
Jelle, they're waiting for you at the palace.
I don't understand. You know, since they're busy, say they go somewhere. I beg no verse. I know if you follow you go anywhere now. And they go carry my palm wine. This is business time. You dey hear me? Go tell the prince, say, I go see him in the evening.
No, Ijele, this is not just about the prince. The king and his cabinet members, they are waiting for you.
King and cabinet member. Nekwe me body mogo. What's in concern me concern that one? What's in concern me concern king and cabinet? I beg, leave me alone. No fit on.
Don't just keep them waiting. I'm just a messenger.
I beg, come off my phone.
My prince.
Did you see her?
Yes, my prince. I delivered the message to her, my prince.
So where is she?
My prince. She said she will see you in the evening.
Are you stupid?
Sorry.
Can't you see that my father and members of the cabinet are already here? What is wrong with you? I want her here now. Go and tell her to follow you to the palace immediately. Go.
All right, my prince.
As she there, she like him. Go. She be hustler. She dey go her way. She know they find trouble. Cha-cha. Mano silike. Mano polaba. Ijele wani ma. Ijele wani oma. Asa my lover. Ijele. Asa my lover. Ijele wani oma. Chacha, mama.
Ijele.
My prince.
Ijele, why, Yoma?
Thank God I find you here.
Take that from her. Take that from her. Ijele, come this way. This way. How are you?
I didn't find you.
Ijele, why, Yoma?
I've been the fear. He come meet me, say the king, the cabinet member.
Yes.
Say that they call me.
Yes.
I don't know what I do.
It is because your presence is highly required here at this time.
So I do waiting. My prince, I beg. I don't get any business with these people. And it is still very early. I never do anything. I never go carry my fish. I never go carry my palm wine.
Ijele, you have brought me so much peace and happiness. And I want my family and the others in council to be aware of the joy that you bring. And that is why I have invited you.
May no go put me for trouble.
Ijele, I have you covered. You're my special guest.
Prince.
You're welcome to the palace.
Prince.
This way. It's fine, he will take care of it. Mom. Dad. Elders in council, I am sorry to have kept you all waiting. I had to go get her. I'm here to tell you all that the contest to make me happy ends today. For I have found happiness and joy with Ijele here. This one right here makes me happy, makes me smile, cheek to cheek.
Our prince, we are glad that you are finally happy.
Thank you.
Ijele, we thank you. We congratulate you for bringing happiness to our prince. Oni Kenga, elders in council. No. I hope I've spoken your mind.
Well, and in fulfillment of my promise that anyone who is able to make my son happy will receive 1/3 of my vast wealth. Today, Ijele, I hand over these documents to you. In here are documents for lands, cars, buildings, and some companies. I would also like you to transfer your account number to me so that I can send money to them, your due amount, in fulfillment of that promise. Congratulations, Ijele.
Igwe, thank you. Thank you so much for everything you don't do. But I don't need them. I don't need them. Now, what I want I can do? I don't need them at all. I don't even get account number. So, no worry yourself. I don't do my job. And I'm happy say you like the job what I do. Happy? Naim now.
Accept this offering, Ijele. And I'm going to also.
Your Majesty, I beg. I won't make you understand something. I not come here. Make it be say, I won't collect your money. I want your wealth. I'll be waiting. I don't want time. I come here, I make you understand. Say, I feel make Prince laugh. And I don't do am. That one alone, they give me morale. Say, I don't do this work well. Say, you appreciate me. But for me to collect your property, I don't need them more. I beg no verse. I go begin go now because since morning, my palm wine tapper don't call me, say, don't carry my palm wine, come out. Even the person where they sell fish give me, I never go carry my fish. No verse. Your Majesty. Live long. My prince, I don't they go.
Ijele. Chubia.
Somebody, she know the fresh fish, she a pokono dachi. Okay, you got my Ijele Mwabu dachi. I put a little go, but she buy holy water, original happiness. Kapapa rotasia Ijele fresh fish, she a pokono dachi. Ijele Mwale popa dachi. Ijele Mwabu dachi. She like him, you go. She be hustler, she dey go her way. She know they find trouble, cha-cha. Man no sirike, man no balaba.
Ijele, what is going on? Why are you doing this to me?
My prince, you just make me feel. Nothing they happen.
I have been searching for you, Ijele. I have looked everywhere for you. I've been calling your phone. You're not taking my calls, Ijele. Ogene, what is the problem?
My prince, what thing I don't do now? I never do anything now. Only to say I know they interested for your papa money. As I did now, you do me where. I beg.
Ijele, is that enough reason to avoid me, Ijele? I have searched everywhere for you. Okay, why are you not returning my calls? Huh?
I don't get credit.
Ijele, you know what your friendship means to me. Huh? Don't do this now, Ijele.
My prince, I know they do anything. No. I go there very, very open to you. I know they do anything. I don't want to make people they say I follow you talk because of your papa money. Now make I day my day. I don't get strength. You can't drum.
Ijele, you know me. You know I don't think like that. Okay, when do we see?
I'll be see you, they see me so.
No, Ijele, you know what I'm talking about. We need to spend time. When can I see you?
Good day, my prince.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, prince. My prince, there's something I need to tell you if you don't mind.
Okay, go ahead.
My prince, I realized that you like Ijele so much and you desire to have her around.
Yes, that is true. Is there a problem with that?
No, not at all, my prince. Just that if you like her so much, then propose to her. If you marry her, she will always be around you, and then your happiness will be guaranteed.
I hear you. You can go. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I think that Akadike is right. Maybe I should just go ahead and propose to Ijele, but I don't want anything to happen to her. Goodness, I'm scared. I'm scared that she might even die at the mention of marriage. I'm confused.
Oh my God.
Mother, I am still surprised about what happened yesterday in the palace.
Mom, who was that girl though? Was she in her right senses at all?
I knew her late parents. That girl is just naive. And she's an illiterate.
Oh my days. She looks like an alien.
Mother, I am still wondering how she made Princess Nwa happy again.
Honestly, I sense a touch of black magic in that palm wine. And the so-called smoked fish.
Mother.
Yes.
Prince in the Ijele Mwabudachi, Apotani Lago, Kwechi, by holy water, original happiness. You
You know that I've been meaning to ask who your man is. The man in your life. Who is it?
Now you know. Yes.
Me. I'm sure you don't understand my question. I mean your boyfriend. Your boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yeah, ladies have boyfriends.
I think I don't get that time.
What, someone that you share intimate matters with?
I don't get boyfriend. Which time will I go take get a boyfriend? Every morning I'll go tap my palm wine. I'll go do my fish, carry and they sell. By the time when I come back, I don't tire. I go cook, eat, sleep. No time for boyfriend though. I beg. No get. What, you be my boyfriend now? You don't be my boyfriend. My prince.
Am I?
Yes. The man you be, I be girl. Boy, girl. Boyfriend. You be my boyfriend. My prince, make I do fast, make you chop, I beg.
You can.
Make I do fast. Huh?
Speaking of cooking, you know I can help you with that.
Hi, Mbano.
Oh no, I know how to cook.
My prince. Now future boy, no give me go. Help me with one.
I am serious. I know how to cook. I'm a very good cook.
Seriously. Not be for my house, though.
Cook, let me help you.
I beg, my prince. My need there for grand.
Well, you don't
I won't carry and give you, make you begin the pillar.
Of course, I can help you with that.
What for you, though? What for that kind of thing, though? No, don't worry. I'm almost done.
You don't want me to show you my culinary skills, right?
It's all?
My culinary skills.
Hi. My friends, you know, chop your school fees, so. I don't understand that one, but make I do fast, oh? Make you chop.
So I should just sit back? Yeah?
Yes, and watch me do it, oh?
You're jealous?
You're a man.
Okay.
Man.
Ijele mwabodachi aputa nilogo kwechi buy holy water original happiness somebody she know the fear fresh fish apokwa no dachi oga you got my ijele mwabodachi aputa nilogo kwechi
Joy.
Ijele,
I respect you.
the one that gladdens my heart
You're
and
welcome.
makes me smile. How are you?
Oh, I did fine, oh. My prince.
How are you?
I did fine, oh.
What?
I dey look your hand now. The surprise when you say you get for me, now they fine.
Look at you. You're expecting, huh?
Yes, my prince now.
I don't disappoint. There you go.
My prince! It's too much.
You love
But I'm clever for you. Kapada.
Look at it. Look at them. I'm positive you love them.
Hey, thank you. I don't understand. What do you buy for me?
I got you clothes, darling. I got you clothes. Designer clothes. Look at them. You love them. Huh?
My prince, I don't like this thing, no. What? So you feel I'm dirty?
No.
Is that what you feel? You feel I need to wear better clothes?
Far from it, Ijele. These right here are outing clothes. Clothes you wear to go see a friend on a weekend. You have a birthday party, you go to church, something. That look good on you.
My prince, I don't like them. I don't like this.
Ijele.
I don't like this kind of clothes. I don't wear feminine clothes. If you want to buy something for me, buy back for. Correct things like this for me. I know they wear this kind of thing.
Ijele. Please. Do not reject these clothes, for you might need them someday. Please.
My prince, you don't like it when someone tells you the truth. This is not my kind of thing. I'm not like it. You gotta go You gotta go. Papa scarf,
Even when you're serious, you make me laugh, you know that.
I don't.
Okay, you know what? I strike you a deal. Hold on to this. Think about it. You just might change your mind and begin to love them. But in the meantime, I'll get you something else. Something you might really love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a very busy day for me. I just stopped by to see you and then present this to you. But I'll be back here again tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I need to go and supply some palm wine.
I can see that.
Yes. And I'll keep your special one for you. You know.
You know how I like it.
Yes, I know now.
You tell him?
You don't need to tell me.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, Biko. When I clear road for you, when I clear road. Your father. My prince.
It's too funny. They got the trouser, yeah. Couple papas, couple, yeah. Hey. This kind girl, I never see her before. Elton boy, she dey behave like man. Anything man do, she go do.
Jele, good morning.
Morning, how you doing now?
I'm fine.
Where your papa?
He's not around. He went for meeting. Any problem?
You know the house?
No.
How you know go there house? You can't say make I bring palm wine for him.
Okay. Oh, maybe you should keep it when he comes back. I'll bring the money for you.
And I get gallon.
Yes, but let me check if it's empty.
I beg, check, I beg. Hurry, I beg, I don't get time. Which kind of man be that? Can't say make I bring something for her. No conti. Hurry,
It's my pleasure to have met a beautiful princess like you.
The pleasure is mine. You're so jovial and very sociable.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm delighted to receive a very wonderful compliment from a beautiful princess.
And you're going to be a good king.
Okay.
All you need is a very pretty and intelligent woman to support you, that's all.
Oh, as for that, I've already seen my queen. Yes.
Thank you.
Alright now, my childhood wife. You know you have grown into a very, very beautiful woman.
And you too. My childhood husband. You are now a big guy.
Am I?
Of course you are.
Thank you. So, what's been happening with you? How is school? Are you done?
No. Actually, I will be graduating this year. So, what about you?
I just got done with masters. I came back here a few weeks ago. Yeah.
Well, now you are done with everything. So, what's your plans?
Because of my royal status, I am being pressured to get married. So I think I'm just going to have to do that, get it out of the way, and then, take things one step at a time,
Well, I understand everything. Actually, I truly enjoy today, being with you just the way we used to be when we were kids.
Sure. It's good to have you here. It's good to have you here. Catch up, play catch up on old times and stuff.
Yeah.
I am so happy seeing our children mingling with each other.
I see their joy knows no bound on seeing each other after many years.
The bond between Princess Amma and Princess Urena looks stronger.
Yes, I think so.
I can't wait to see them walk down the aisle together.
Yes.
That has always been our dreams.
Exactly.
To see our children cement the relationship between us, the two royal families.
And it shall come to pass. And we shall be witnesses to their union.
He said?
Yes.
This is super. Honestly, I was happy seeing our children together. Yes. Did you see how they look?
Yes.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Oh, amazing.
My praise.
Yes, you sent for me. You asked that you see me urgently.
My prince. You don't reach 3 days now when I never see you. I've gotten fond of you. So I demanded that I should see your face once again.
It is good. It is good. I have just been very busy with things. That's why you haven't seen me.
My prince.
Yes.
My prince.
Yes.
There is something missing. There is something you want to tell me, but you don't know how to tell me. And I want you to tell me. Tell me. I want to hear.
Ijele, your spirit is truly alive and your thoughts linked to mine. You are a very intuitive woman. You see why I say that you're special to me. There is indeed something on my mind. Something troubles me. But I don't know how to go about it because I don't want to lose you.
My prince, you have here to talk. Tell me now. And wait, lose me. How?
It is you, Ijele. I have fallen in love with you. You're my star, my shining light, the one who makes me happy, the one who gladdens my heart. I have even more to say to you, but still I am scared of losing you.
What are you? Nena Piarim is here. I don't know where you're headed, my prince.
Ijele, everyone that I have declared my intentions to suddenly drops dead the day I mentioned to them that I want to marry them.
Ajibaba. My prince. Huh. No. Okay. I want to ask you a heart-to-heart question, my prince.
Ask.
Do you really love me enough to marry me?
With all my heart, Ijele. I have come to know you. I am in love with your person. I love you from here. I want you to be the mother of our children. Yes, I want to marry you.
One number one door now. Pialie the door. My prince, do the needful, for Ijele Nwai is a special breed. Nobody can kill me. Nobody can. Hello,
Daddy. I'm fine. Are you? Yes, everybody's fine. My regards to everyone at home. She's fine too. Bye. Mom, that's my dad.
My son is back.
Yeah, my father.
Mother.
Come.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mom.
I'm fine.
Mom.
Welcome, son.
You're good?
Yes.
Look at you. All smiles. I went to town to take care of a few things. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I missed you.
You did? Thank you.
Can you believe I haven't had my breakfast yet?
What? You have... Why?
Yeah, I can't do that, knowing that you've not eaten anything.
Look at you. You know what? I'm home now, all right? We can have something together. Okay. Come on now, let's go. Mom, see you later.
I'm happy that getting to know each other. I also wish that my daughter and Jideofor are getting along well. Yes.
Hope you're enjoying your meal.
Yes, my prince.
Great. What, you wanna share my cup with me, huh?
I'm sorry for that.
It's okay. It's okay.
My prince.
Yes, dear.
I'm glad you're here. I'm so happy you are here with me. You know, I don't know. There is something I want to ask you, my prince.
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
I don't know if you still feel something special. You know, for me, the way you used to play then, hang around, you know. I'm just asking, you know, I just want to know, do you still feel anything for me?
Well, Lorena, I'd rather we let that topic rest for now and just enjoy our meal. We'll have all the time to talk about it later. Okay? Come on now. Eat up.
You say so.
If
How could you embarrass my guest like that? How could you embarrass my guest like that? Why, Father, why?
How dare you bring a gutter-extracted nobody into this palace and you have the guts to tell us that that is the girl you want to marry?
Mother Ijele. It's not from the gutter. That girl makes me happy. That girl I must marry.
You must be out of your senses for uttering such stupid words.
I'm not out of my senses, Father. I am in my right senses.
If you dare speak to your father like that again, if you dare speak to your father like that again, I will knock you down and bring you back to your right senses. Dare me! Try me!
For your information, I don't want to see that girl in this palace again!
Mother. It's like that now, huh? It's like that. Okay.
What insolence!
Dad, Mom, what's going on?
Don't mind your brother. Can you just imagine? He wants to bring that nonentity into this place? That fish and plantain seller, palm wine seller, to come here as his wife?
What? Father, I thought he's in love with Princess Urena.
Dad, Mom, who was that girl?
Ijele, where are you? You're not taking my calls. You're not returning my messages. Where are you, Ijele? I miss you. I miss you, Ijele. Where are you?
Princess
Lorena, what is it?
Please, my prince. Please. Last night I was disturbed because of you. I couldn't sleep. My prince, I love you.
Last night I was equally disturbed, Lorena. I could not find sleep because of love.
My prince, you see, both of us couldn't sleep last night. Can't you see? Can't you see the love? Can't you see we are meant to love each other?
I am not in love with you, Lorena. I have found love with Ijele.
My prince, you just stop saying this to me. The more you are saying this, the more you are hurting me. Please.
The more you live in denial, Urenna, the more you break your own heart. I'll suggest that you go, for I have no future plans for you. I have fallen deeply in love with Ijele, and she's the one that I am going to be with.
No. Wait. Prince! Come back here! Hey!
Ijele, I know how you feel about all that happened at the palace. Please, accept my apologies, please. I'm sorry. Please.
Your parents, they refer to me as nobody. Your mother called me a gold digger. For waiting now, waiting I do. If she had called me a palm wine seller or a fish seller, I've accepted her because now waiting now they do. And I'm proud of what I'm doing. I don't have a problem with it. I am proud of my business. I am proud. Why would she call me a gold digger? Eh? So you took me to your house for me to be mocked, or where?
Not at all. Please. I did not take you to the palace for you to be embarrassed like that. I'm sorry.
My prince, your parents are right. We are not in the same class. You dey your lane. Allow me make I dey my lane. Munega dey move Ife. Biko, please.
Please. I don't want to stay away from you, please.
You have to stay away from me. Oh. My prince, Biko, please, I'm begging you. You just have to go. Go and don't come back.
I don't want to go.
My prince, just dey go. Just dey go.
Some people say I'm under a spell. What do you say yourself? 'Cause some people say I'm under a spell. But tell me what you think, and tell me what you say. 'Cause all I want is my happiness. For me, all I want is happiness.
I heard that you didn't talk to your breakfast. Neither did you talk to anyone this morning. I hope it's not because of that miserable girl called Ijele.
Enough of the name calling, mother. Stop it. It's not right. Don't do that.
So I'm your mother. I cannot deceive you. That girl is nothing close to your class. No, your status.
Mother, I do not care about class or status. Ijele is my life. She's the air that I breathe and the blood that runs through my veins, mother. Understand it.
I can see that you're under a spell.
I'm under a spell of love. I am your son. And I tell you now that if I do not marry Ijele, I will remain single.
You would do no such thing. You would date.
Can you not see, mother? But can you not see what she means to me? Can you not see that that girl is my life? Can you not see that she makes me happy?
I can see that she has you under control, but I will untie you from her grip. I will untie you, son. I will.
Why is it so hard for my family to understand that Ijele means the world to me? Why can't they see that that girl makes me happy? Why has my family refused to pay attention to things that make me happy? Why?
Your Majesty, if nothing is done, our son has made up his mind to remain single.
May the gods forbid. That will not happen, not while I'm alive. Not me. Come on, Baja.
He's busy spending his life with that good-for-nothing girl. That wretched pig.
Odioko, sometimes I don't like the way you handle issues concerning our son. Princess our son is of age.
Are you saying he should marry that palm wine and fish seller?
That's not what I'm talking about. What I mean is that we should just sit him down and make him see reason with us. You know, we can't even force him to marry someone he doesn't love either.
If he refuses to marry the princess, I or Doko will not allow him end up with Ijele. Okay. He can't do it.
But let it be for now. We'll sit him down and talk to him later.
Better talk to him. Better talk to him.
Abaje.
What thing you do here by this time of the night?
I've come to apologize to you, Ijele.
I don't need that. I don't need your apology. I don't need that. My prince, you know if you walk between us now, the insult don't date too much. We not date the same class. See where you did. See where me I dey. You know just walk. Everybody they go just they talk to me anyhow. They embarrass me because I be your friend. I no wish to be your friend. Just allow me make I day my day, make you day your own day.
Ijele. Ijele Mwanyoma. Listen to me now. You know I'm not in support of the way my parents have treated you. I am sorry. Please.
My prince, you know...
I am in love with you, Ijele, please. I can't live without you.
You don't get choice, so. My prince, you don't just get choice but to live without me. Because me living with you now, I to kill myself. Because one day your mama go kill me. She don't like me.
That won't happen. I assure you.
It already they happen now.
I'll protect you, Ijele.
Already they happen. Please, don't come close, oh. Don't come close. I'm not happy. Don't come close.
Ijele.
No verse. Make you come, they go.
What?
Make you come, they go. They go your ass. Go your ass.
Ijele, I'm not going anywhere till we sort this out.
You don't want to go? I don't they go sleep. And I go lock my door.
Ijele, I'm not going anywhere. I'll see you.
Oh, yeah, no. How much more Muslim? I never chop. You don't call my house again, make you call insult me.
Did you say house? Where is it? What did you do to my son?
I don't do anything to your son.
You think I don't know? You think I don't know what a low class like you can do in order to get wealth from a wealthy family? You think I don't know your class?
Your Majesty, you don't know me. You don't know Ijele why? If you say you know me very well, you know they talk this way they talk. I know I no go school, I no be anything. But you get what thing they call integrity. I get them. Yes, I get them. The thing where I get now, he do me. I know they carry my eye put for another person thing. You see your son, a good man be. I don't get anything for my mind as I love him. Not even your money. I don't even need your money. Not because of if you don't even give me money, I can't say I don't want. So I don't know what they talk. Even if you like, give me the money where food this house now. I no go stay collect them. Because my prince I like. No money if I come. The only thing where you go do be say you go say, I no want make my son love Ijele. Ijele go your way. I'll carry my own love. They go. Now him be that. I beg. Your Majesty, I beg. How come can you hear I beg. Because of say I no be anything. I no be anything, Abi.
Stay away from my son. Did you hear me? Stay away from my son. The funny part, I don't even know what she's saying.
Some people say I'm under spell.
Oh, son.
Father.
Son, just a quick one. I came so that we can discuss as men.
You don't want to sit?
No, it's okay. It's a quick one. Let me ask. That girl, Ijele, do you really love her? And want to marry her?
With all of my heart, Father.
Good. So, what do you feel for Princess Urena?
Father, whatever it is that I felt for Urena was years ago when we were much younger. You would agree with me, Father, that time have passed and things have changed. I do not feel anything for her in that regard, as much as I still appreciate her as a family friend. But as we speak, Father, my heart is with Ijele.
Okay, I've heard you. And I just want to use this opportunity to tell you that I'm sorry for the way we have treated Ijele. It has been quite unfair. So I would like you to bring her over so we can apologize to her and then give you our blessings.
Are you serious about this, Father?
Very serious.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you so much.
I already discussed it with your mom.
And I'll do as you've said, Father.
Great. Wait.
Somebody, she not the fresh fish, she have a one of that. Some people say I'm under a spell. What do you say yourself?
Ijele!
Cause some people say I'm under a spell.
Ijele!
But tell me what you think. Tell me what you say. Cause all I want.
Ijele, it's me. He says, Enwa, please come out.
For me, all I want.
Ijele, are you in there?
Someone to love. Just give me love.
Ijele!
Just give me love.
Ijele!
Ihunanya akoramili, ihunanya akoramili, ihunanya divosa. Ihunanya akoramili, ihunanya akoramili. Some people say.
Where is she? She's not picking her calls. She's not home. Where could she be?
Cause some people say I'm under a spell. Some people say I'm under a spell. What do you say yourself? Cause some people say I'm under.
How did it go?
Your Majesty, she has joined her assistants.
I see. My queen, can these two be trusted?
Oh, these two are the most trusted guards I have in this palace.
My princess, you have nothing to worry about. We have handled more difficult tasks for Her Majesty in the past. And trust me, we shot her, saw her blood splashed on the river, and finally she died.
Thank you so much for a job well done.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
And I promise you that you will be handsomely rewarded.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's okay, you can go. I know. Thank you, darling. It's okay. You have every right to be happy.
Yeah. Oh my God. Dad, take a look at these photographs.
Wow. These are lovely pictures.
Yes.
I can see that Princess Oledo and Prince Jidofo are really bonding well.
Daddy, I'm so happy for them. Oh my God. Daddy, how about Ezenwa? Has he changed his mind about Ijele?
Your brother's case is a different one. He has refused to accept Princess Ure now. For me, I'd rather allow him follow his heart than lose my son.
Eh? Daddy, how about the princess? What will happen to her?
Well, I'm just thinking we should inform her so that she will not continue wasting her time here, hoping that Princess Anwa would marry her. But I would wait and discuss that with your mother tonight.
Okay, good. Great.
Is that okay?
Yes, Daddy.
All right. The dress looks lovely.
Daddy, thank you.
Ezenwa, my son.
Mother, you startled me.
Sorry. I've agreed with your father for you to invite Ijele to the palace so that we can apologize for all the embarrassment we caused her. And also bless your union. I went to your room and they said you went out.
Well, it might interest you to know, Mother, that I went in search of Ijele. And she's nowhere to be found. I've searched everywhere for her, searched the entire kingdom. There is no sign of Ijele.
Then call her on her cell phone.
I have been calling, Mother. She's not answering.
This is strange. So what are we going to do?
I don't know, Mother. I wish to be left alone so that I can think.
Brother, please, you can't continue like this.
What do you want me to do? I can't reach her. Something tells me that something is wrong with Ijele. I can't reach Ijele. I have left several messages. I've called her a couple of times. She has refused to return my calls.
Nothing is wrong with her.
This is unlike her. Something is wrong with her. Don't tell me. Don't tell me that.
Nothing is wrong with her. Nothing. I think she is still angry with the way she was disgraced in this palace.
But what have I not done? I have sent numerous messages apologizing to her. What else am I supposed to do? I need to talk to her.
Brother, please, don't worry. I will follow you go to her house and ask for her forgiveness. I believe she would listen to us.
You come with me.
Yes, I can even do more than that. That's why I'm your sister.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, let's go to the dining. The food is ready.
Ah.
Please, can you stop drinking?
Just give me love. Just give me love. Ihunanya akoramili, ihunanya akoramili, ihunanya dibusa, ihunanya.
Wow. Already served.
Your Highness, can we toast to love, unity, and progress of this family?
Yes, why not? To love.
Toast to love, toast to love. Yes. To love.
To love, to unity, to progress. I feel a bit woozy. Dizzy. What was he doing when you got to his room?
Father, he was drinking when I got there. So I had to stop him so he can join us at the dining.
It simply means that he's drunk.
Help him to his room.
Yes, let's help him.
Take it easy.
Easy.
Sorry. You will get better soon. Don't worry.
It's painful.
You know what? Go and continue to have your breakfast. Let me watch over him for a while.
I should go.
Yes.
That's nice of you. So you still love him even when he loves another woman?
Ozioma, I truly love your brother. No matter the circumstances. I love him. Okay? Go and enjoy your meal.
Yeah, darling. Please. Take good care of him. I'll be right back.
I will definitely do that.
Carry you come here.
Jenny, it's you.
Na me na. See, make I tell you. Make you no ever tell anybody say you find me here. No try am.
Alright, no problems.
I won't make you tell the prince.
No problems. No problem. I'll do just that.
I don't believe you. I don't just believe you. You get as your eye be, I no believe you. If you won't make I believe what you tell me now, swear. Swear say you no go tell anybody except the prince.
Jenny, I swear to you. I swear with my life. I swear, even with this sword, I am not going to tell anybody that I found you. Yes.
You do well. You don't get problem at all. You can't find Zoo. And the other one. Follow me, I'll give you.